How's your morning going?
Hey, John. It's going pretty well. I had coffee, so that helps a lot.
Ah, yes. Coffee is very important. Without coffee, I am not a real person.
Same here. I was so sleepy earlier, but now I feel good.
Nice. Oh, by the way, I'm John. I'm from California in the USA.
And I'm Emma. I'm from Ohio. Nice to meet everyone watching today.
Yeah, welcome, guys. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for English learners.
Yes. Today's topic is learning present tense and past tense in English.
Ooh, grammar. Sounds scary.
Don't worry. We'll keep it very simple, very easy, like two friends chatting.
Exactly. No stress. Just real English.
So, John, before we start, how are you feeling today?
I feel good today.
Good. That sentence is present tense.
Present tense means now, right now.
Yes, right now, today, this moment.
For example, I feel good. I drink coffee. I live in California.
Perfect. All present tense.
Okay, Emma, how about you?
I feel happy today. I teach English. I like helping students.
Nice. Very clear present tense.
Now let's talk about the past tense.
The past is yesterday, last night, last week.
Yes, anything before now.
So instead of I feel good, we say
I felt good.
felt. F-E-L-T.
Right. Feel becomes felt.
English likes to change words.
Yeah, English is a little crazy sometimes.
So, Emma, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I worked in the morning.
Worked. Past tense of work.
Yes, then I cooked dinner.
Cooked. You add ed.
Exactly. Many past tense verbs end in ed.
Like walked, played, watched.
But not all verbs.
Ah, yes. The bad boys. Irregular verbs.
Yes, like go.
Go becomes went.
Eat becomes ate.
See becomes saw.
Let's make it simple with examples.
Okay. Present tense. I go to work.
Past tense, I went to work.
Present. I eat breakfast.
Past, I ate breakfast.
Nice. Very clear.
John, do you remember something funny from last week?
Oh, yes. Last week I lost my keys.
Oh no.
Yeah, I looked everywhere.
Looked, past tense.
I checked my bag. I checked my pockets.
Checked. Good.
Then I realized my keys were in my hand.
That happens to me too.
I felt so silly.
Felt, past tense again.
See? We're teaching without trying.
That's the best way.
So let's compare present and past together.
Okay.
Today, I walked to the park.
Today, I walked to the park.
Today, I talked to Emma.
Yesterday, I talked to my mom.
Very good.
Sometimes beginners ask, how do I know if it's present or past?
Good question.
Look for time words.
Like today, now, usually.
Those are present.
And yesterday, last night, last year.
Those are past.
Easy trick.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay, sounds fun.
I'll ask you questions.
I'm ready.
What do you do every morning?
Every morning, I wake up at 7.
Wake up. Present tense.
I drink coffee and read the news.
Nice. Now, what did you do this morning?
I woke up at 7.
Woke up. Past tense of wake up.
I drank coffee.
Drank. Past of drink.
And I read the news.
Read is tricky. Same spelling, different sound.
English again being crazy.
Yeah, English is a little crazy sometimes.
So, Emma, learners, that's okay. You don't need to be perfect.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes.
True. I still say the wrong things sometimes.
Me too.
The most important thing is practice.
Speak a little every day.
Use simple sentences. I eat. I ate.
Simple is powerful.
Emma, do you remember when you first learned another language?
Oh yes, I studied Spanish in school.
How was it?
Hard, very hard. I was shy. I made many mistakes.
But you kept going.
Yes, and that's why I understand English learners.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly.
So if you say, yesterday I eat pizza.
It's not perfect.
But we understand you.
And you can slowly learn to say, yesterday I ate pizza.
step by step.
One more example before we finish.
Okay.
Present, I am happy.
Past, I was happy.
Present, I have a dog.
Past, I had a dog.
Very nice.
I think we did a good job today.
I think so too.
So friends watching, remember this.
Present tense is for now.
Past tense is for before now.
Use time words to help you.
And don't be afraid to speak.
English is not about being perfect.
It's about connecting with people.
Talking, sharing stories.
Laughing when you lose your keys.
Yes.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We're really happy you're here.
Keep practicing every day.
And be kind to yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.